Dear students, very good morning. In this video, that is in this lecture, we are going to discuss about types of machine learning. In the previous classes, we have discussed the basic, that is fundamentals of machine learning, as well as the about process flow, that is machine learning life cycle. And this lecture, we are going to discuss about types of machine learning. So before going to that, what is machine learning? A branch of artificial intelligence enables systems to learn from data and make decisions or predictions. It improves automatically through experience without explicit programming. The explicit, what is the literal meaning? That is detailed. And why machine learning? Why we go for machine learning? That is the very important question we need to, and also it helps analyze large data and find patterns. That is the main reason. Also automates tasks like predictions, recommendations, and anomaly detection, widely used in healthcare, finance, marketing, and robotics. And types of machine learning. Types of machine learning, we have supervised, unsupervised, reinforcement. Usually we can have supervised in the sense task driven, and unsupervised in the sense data driven, reinforcement in the sense learn from mistakes. Supervised task driven, it means what? Supervised, the name itself we can come to know, that is under the monitoring. For example, the teacher students in the classroom, the students are under the monitoring of teacher. Okay, likewise the supervised process it will happen. And unsupervised, that is without monitoring. And reinforcement is the semi supervised, the mixed of supervised as well as the unsupervised. So supervised, we may give as a labeled input. Labeled in the sense it will represent the name. For example, we are feeding the data, that is three house images, three cat images, and three tiger images. We are labeling house, cat, and tiger, so that it will analyze and will give the immediate process it will happen. But unsupervised learning, the 9 images will be given, but we are not going to label anything. We are not going label to anything, so that it will analyze based upon its previous experience, and it will cluster the data and classify the data and coming to the conclusion. Semi supervised, based upon the input, it may take with the help of the supervised as well as the unsupervised, and the process information. Reinforcement, that means repeated up to getting our best performs, it will do the reinforcement. And top three, that is the machine learning algorithms here: supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement. That is well defined goals, reverse engineering, example fraud, non-fraud transaction, as well as the customer based only inputs and outcome, typically clustering, segmentation under unsupervised. And coming to the reinforcement, the detailed things is start states, and the state are the defined. The agent discovers the path and the relationship on the own. And the detailed types, that is machine learning supervised, we have the two things, that is too broadly divided, that is classification and regression. And coming to the unsupervised, clustering, and reinforcement, it is decision making. So what is classification and what is regression, clustering, and decision making, we will see in detail. And the classification, we may have some sort of algorithm. With the use of this algorithm, the machine learning supervised learning, it is going to happen. That is Nevis based classifier. Using that, we will make a decision trees and support vector missing, that is SVM classifier, and random forest, k nearest neighbor. And coming to the regression, linear regression, neural network regression, support vector regression, decision tree regression, that is laser regression, and ridge regression. So these comes are the classification and regression. Unsupervised learning, it is the clustering process. So clustering, what is meant by clustering? Group of things, what or maybe group of systems or group of people or group of things is called clustering. And say here these are the algorithms it is used for the clustering process. K means algorithm, that is mean shift clustering, and db scan clustering, and agglomerative clustering, hierarchical clustering, likewise Gaussian mixture. And coming to the decision making, that is q learning, r learning, td learning. So these are the algorithm which supports the machine learning for supervised type as well as the unsupervised and reinforcement. We will see one by one how the algorithm works in detail in forthcoming lectures. And still now we have we have discussed what is supervised and what is unsupervised and what is reinforcement. These are the main important techniques used in the machine learning. And also under supervised learning, how the process takes place, and under how unsupervised, how the process takes place, and reinforcement, and what are the algorithms supports for these supervised unsupervised reinforcement. We have discussed these things in detail in this video. And thank you for your passion listening.